Tonight's guest is small, stylish, and louder than my jukebox on a Saturday. Don't let her size fool you. This little señorita has royal blood and a bark that could start a revolution. Amigos, meet the Chihuahua.
Hola, chicos! Sorry I'm late. I was chasing a mariachi band down the street. They were playing my song.
Always nice to see a grand entrance from someone under 10 inches tall.
It's called presence, Ricky. Some of us have it. Others need a ladder.
So, tell me about yourself, kid.
Where do I begin? I come from Mexico, land of sunshine, tacos, and legends. My ancestors lived in temples, worshipped by kings. We were small, see, but divine. They say we were the spirit guides of the Aztecs. These days, I mostly guide humans to their snacks. Once, back home in Guadalajara, I crashed a street fiesta. Music, dancing, food everywhere. I saw a plate of tacos al pastor. Golden, juicy, calling my name. I leapt from the table, snagged one midair. Perfection. Until I realized it was the mayor's lunch. He chased me for 3 blocks. I would have apologized, but it was the best taco of my life.
Brave, reckless, unapologetic. A true terrier spirit in miniature form.
Miniature? Please. Concentrated excellence. People think we are fragile, but we are made of steel. We may weigh less than your sandwich, but we've got the confidence of a lion. And the volume of one, too. We are loyal, loving, and maybe a little dramatic. But that's only because we care so much.
And I thought I had attitude.
You got anything stronger? Maybe tequila?
Sorry, doll. House policy. No shots after midnight.
Then I'll just take the attention. Remember, chicos, size is a matter of attitude. And mine, muy grande.
Here's looking at you, Pat.
This one's for the little dog with the big bark. Viva el Chihuahua!
He's got a heart the size of Mexico. Ears that catch the wind when it blows. 6 pounds of courage in a tiny frame. When trouble shows up, he knows no shame. Tiny but mighty, loud and proud, barking his truth, he'll draw a crowd. From Aztec kings to city streets, he rules the world from little feet. Sombrero tilted, eyes on fire, he guards your couch like it's an empire. Don't call him cute, he's royalty, the spirit of a god in a cup of tea. Tiny but mighty, brave and bright, a pocket-sized star in the desert night. From taco stands to Hollywood, he'll steal your heart like only he could. Here's looking at you, pet, lush in